morning. My name is Alfonso with Atlantic Marine, and today I'm in beautiful Miami, Florida. And not only am I in Miami, Florida, I'm right here at the Miami Marine Stadium, which is really cool. Right now, it needs a fixer-upper, but this place was really cool because they used to have boat drag racing and live concerts. They would put a floating stage, and the performer would perform live to the fans. So I just thought I was gonna bring that out and show you that. I thought that was pretty cool. So today I'm in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boat. This is a Hydra-Sport Vector Express. This is a 33 to 35 foot. I'm not 100% sure, but it's around there. And this bad boy got repowered with triple 300s. If you look back here, these are the triple 300s. The port and the starboard are 25-inch shaft. The one in the center is a 30-inch shaft. We used the customer's cylinder. We used the hand pump, repowered the boat. This baby's doing very close to 60 miles an hour. Right now we are at full tanks, which has 320 gallons, and we're doing 58 to 59 miles an hour. What a ride, very awesome, very fast for being such a big boat. So come over here, I want to show you something. This is really cool. So I personally sat down with this customer here and I talked to him and I wanted to feel him out to see how he wanted this setup, because he had to do his dash and multiple dashes. One here, he had an old Ray Marine which was not functional and he wanted to put the sim rack. So we did, and I also made a panel so it could look really nice right there. Over here, another panel that we made with the Hydra-Sport logo, and here are the 3 C10 gauges, and all the switches got put on exactly how he wanted. Over here we did another panel with the triple push start, the Troll mode, and this is the Vector. I put the Vector logo on it. Now the old controller that he had was really big, really ugly. So we had to cover up a lot. So we also did another panel here, CNC, and we put the controller. Now these are 300s or fly-by-wire only. They only come fly-by-wire. And again, fly-by-wire includes the C10 gauges for each engine, the push start. Since this is a triple, it has the triple push start pad, and the Troll mode. This is a beautiful, beautiful boat. I really enjoy driving this boat. I'm actually getting sad now because I have to go back in and give it back to the customer, which I don't want to, but it is what it is. He's a really nice guy. He's gonna enjoy the boat. He has 6-year warranty on this. Very simple setup, very fast, very quiet, very reliable. Give us a call, 305-826-2202, and let's repower your boat.